While working in AutoCAD software, it is very necessary to maintain a clear details on the printed sheet. For that clear details, using a available standard in the CAD is not sufficient. So we need to do some modification in the standard that will show our professionalism in the drawing. And I have made a lots of video on this regards. You can visit my channel and check out those videos. If the video is really informative, I need your one like and one subscription for that videos. In this particular video, I am explaining how to create a custom table style and how to set those style permanently for your new drawings. To create a custom table style, from Home tab Annotation panel, click on this down arrow and click on this table symbol. And also use table style as a shortcut to open a table style manager. Here, first it will show current table style. And these are the list of created table style. And this is the preview of selected text style. Here we will get 4 additional tabs. First one is set current. By this, we can set the selected style to the current sheet. By this, we can create a new table style. By this, we can modify the existing table style and use this to delete the existing style. Now I am creating a new style, so I am clicking on new. Enter the new style name here. I will name it as BOQ table and start with standard. Click on continue. Now this new table style window will pop up on our screen. Now I will show how to set the new table style. First, start table. Select a table to start from. If you are having existing created table, by this we can select it directly. Here I don't have any existing table, so I am creating it from the scratch. Next one is a general. Here we can specify the table direction. It is a downwards table. If you want to upwards, we can select like this. Here title will come at the bottom. In a downwards table, title will come at top. Next one is cell style. Here you can notice we have 3 different cell styles. First one is title, second one is header, third one is data. We can configure these 3 here. So first I will configure title. Here we have 3 properties: general properties, text properties and border property. In a general properties, we can fill the color to it like this, and we can specify the alignment and text format. It is a general text format. If you want to change this, we can change it to angle, currency, date, decimal, percentage, point, text or whole number. So I am keep it as a general. I will click OK. So it is a label, it is not a data. So I keep it as a label only. And it is a merged cell. It is merged cell of 3 columns. So I keep this as same. And then I'll go to text. Here it is taken as standard text. I'll create a custom text here. Click on this box and click on new BOQ text and click OK. Select the text style here and click on set current and click close. Now the new text is created and it is selected also. If you want to change the text type, you can change here, and if you want to change the text color, you can change here. Next I'll go to border. So border line weight you can change, line type also we can change. I'll change the color here, and here which type of border you want. You want all border or outer border or inner, like that you can select a border here. I will select all. Next I will go to header. Here also we have 3 properties. We need to define it as we did earlier to the title cell. So I am quickly finish these 2 also. Now our complete table is configured here. In cell style, we have additional 2 more options. We can create a custom cell like this, and we can manage the created cells by this. I am not creating any new cell style here, so I am going with these 3 only. Now this is completely ready, and I'll click on OK, and I'll go for a set current here, and I will close. Now I'll create a new table here. Here we can select the number of columns, number of rows. Like that we can select, and we can configure the table here. If you don't want a title, you can hide it. If you don't want a header also, you can hide here. So I will keep it data. Next one is the header. Then I will click on keep it title, and this is header only, and this is data. I'll click on OK. Now our table is created here. POQ, press tab to navigate between the cells. SLNO, tab, description, and here size, quantity, and the unit of measurement. And press Ctrl Enter to exit the editing. Now our new table style is created here, and also you can check here a new table style is created here. If you select the standard, this is the standard table style, and this is a new custom table style we have created now. If you create a new drawing, we won't get that newly created table style in the new drawing sheet. Here we don't have that style because we have created that new style in this sheet only. If you want this style to be in a new drawing sheet, you need to save this file as a drawing template file, or else you need to create this table in a drawing template file. First I will explain creating a new drawing template file. Go to the start menu. In a save as, we have additional some more options here. Go for a drawing template. Give the name for the file. Click on save. And delete this table here and close. And then go to start menu. Below the start drawing tab, click on this down arrow. Select newly created template file. Then open table style manager here. Now we are having our custom table style here, BOQ table style. Like this we can save our new setting as a drawing template file. If you are already using a drawing template file, now I will show how to update the new setting to the existing drawing template file. Press Ctrl O, and here file type, select drawing template.dwt. It will take you to the drawing template folder, and select your drawing template and click on open. Paste the created table in the drawing template file and delete it again, and open the drawing style manager. It will update automatically, and click on close. Now close this. Like this you can create a custom table style, and we can save that style permanently in our drawing sheet. And one more thing, while giving the background color to the table cell, don't give index color. Don't give this index color. Give this true color. I will show why. Now I am giving this true color here, and I will click on apply and set current flow. And now I will add some text here. BOQ. Press Ctrl Enter. Now I will print this sheet. We'll select the window. Now I will print this in a monochrome. If you use a index color, it will become a black. Our text won't be visible in a monochrome mode. And I will recommend you to use true color as a text background.
And thank you for watching till the end. Still you're not subscribed my channel, please subscribe the channel and don't forget to click on bell icon to get the best information about AutoCAD. Thank you for watching. Take care.